And when I say slick, girl, everything is laid down.
I'm feeling myself. 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 I'm feeling myself.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's GODIVABLISS, and today I'm about to put you guys on. My hair is so curly and kinky. When I first cut my hair, I didn't even think that it was ever gonna go in one again, and now look at me. I'm able to slick it down and put it in a full bun. When I say it's laying down like it's tired, my kinks is taking a rest, and Slickacia just came through the building. Stay tuned if you guys want to see how I get this bun. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I hope you enjoy.
We dope girls, we the poster girls.
Yeah, so after I wet my hair in the shower, I put it up like this, a banded method, just to keep my hair stretched a little bit, to prepare to be able to put in a ponytail. As you guys can see, I have 4C, like it's all kinks. I have 4C hair. Get up close so you guys can see this texture. This is me, darling. So I'm gonna start this off with putting some coconut oil in my hair. The first step is you find out exactly where you want to put your part. I take a big wide tooth comb and I part my hair with that. My water bottle. Spray the section some so that it's easier to part out. Alright, that looks fine. So you part it out and then part out the front section separate from the back. So I part a little piece from the front. This much. Keeping in line with that part that I just made. And then I do the same thing over here. So maybe this much. You spritz all around. I'm gonna brush it up. Using a bristle brush, the hard end of the bristle brush, but only when there's water in your hair already. Never use the hard end of a bristle brush on dry hair. That's like hair suicide. And then the gel that I'm gonna be using today, I'm on my last bit of it, LOL, is the Xtreme Professional Wetline gel. And the Murray's Superior Hairdressing Pomade. So first I take the Murray's, and then I go over that with some gel. And then you put it in a scrunchie. As tight as it could possibly go. When you pull that tight. You go back and find that part. And you work on your hair in kind of two sections now. You're gonna take this section of your hair, the hair with the thicker section, get your spritz bottle, spray some water on it, and take your wide tooth comb and detangle. This is an important step because when you want to get a sleek bun, you have to make sure that all your hair is kind of laying down as slick as possible, and you can't have tangled hair that you want to sleek down. And then with the soft end of the brush, start brushing that down, kind of in the shape that you want. And you go through with this whole big section, and you do that until you've gotten rid of all the, gotten through all the small sections, and they're all kind of stretched like this. those sections that you made on this side, you're gonna go through and gel them, stick them down for real now. So a little bit of pomade. Then I go with the hard section. Wetline. And then in order to do the other side and keep this side kind of smooth, I put a little scrunchie, put a holder scrunchie, and I work quickly. So take out that holder scrunchie. And then that's when you come in and take another taut scrunchie. Now say slick. Slick, honey. Just put a little bit more gel on top of that, just to make sure everything really stays in place and looks really laid. And then I take a toothbrush with a little bit of gel on it, and that's in my edges. Take my head tie, but what I do, I fold it under, so that's like this, so it's like double. Put that on my head, lay it down, covering the edges as well, and then I tie. So after you tie it down, you take it off. You are gonna have, hold on, let me get close to this. For the sake of this video, I'll show you guys how I add hair. So this is like half a bundle of some old, what is it called? Heat-free hair that I had. So I take half a bundle, it's folded in half. And then the way I do this, I literally take it, start it there, wrap. Wrap it around a bobby pin and secure. Separate the hair so it's all covering my real hair. Take this part, spin it around down. Take this part, spin it around up, and then last bobby pin and stick it where you started where you inserted the track. So right up at the top, insert down. And that's it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you guys can see when I post my next video.
I'm feeling myself. 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 I'm feeling my